Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ash with Ash Media, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can make money with using a Google tool. So before I do that, I need you guys to subscribe and hit the like button and leave the notification bell on, so when I make more videos like this, you guys will be notified about my videos. So with that said, let's start. So as you can see, here's a payment that I received from PayPal yesterday. I was so shocked that the strategy is so easy and how quickly I can make money with this strategy. So if you guys want money like this, you guys have to follow exactly the steps that I say, and results are not typical, or you won't get results close to mine if you don't follow the steps exactly like I say. So with that said, in this video I'm going to show you guys 3 steps how you can make $300 to $500 using a Google tool. The first step, I will show you the tool and how to use it. The second step, I will show you 2 websites. The first website will be the lower paying website, the second website will be the higher paying website. And so you guys have to stay a little long in the video to see the higher paying website. And the third one, I will show you a hack how you can make more money and passive income, which is awesome. So with that said, let us begin with the video. So first, you guys have to have a Gmail account like this. So Gmail is free. If you guys don't have a Gmail account, please go register one. When you have your Gmail account registered, click on this tile here. You come down and click on Google Docs. So it will take you to a page like this. As you can see, I got paragraphs, and I already got different sentences and paragraphs written here. So what we're going to be using this tool for is proofreading. Proofreading is where you will correct grammar and spelling errors. So this tool will do it for you. Example, as you can see, for this word is underlined red. So if I go to tools, spelling and grammar, and you can see it's correcting it, all I have to do is press accept, and it will fix it. So this tool will fix all the grammar and spelling errors for you. You don't need to use no effort. You don't need to open a dictionary and check if the words are right, but you have to have Gmail in order to get this tool. This tool is a free tool, it's not a paid tool. I've been using Google Docs for years. It's also awesome for sharing things, but here we're gonna do proofreading. So I know many of you guys are asking me where we're gonna get proofreading jobs from. So let me show you. So let's begin. The first site is called Online Proofreading Services. So when you come to this website, it will come to this page. As you can see, proofreadingservices.com. I will leave this link in the description. So the easiest way to get proofreading, editing and translation. So as you can see, big companies come to this website like University of Cambridge, Fogg, Harvard University, Pearson, Cisco, very big companies. They come and they pay proofreadingservices.com to proofread their articles, scripts and sentences that they write, because they're professional companies, remember. So you're going to proofread these things, and proofreading is going to pay you. So for you to begin, scroll down to the bottom. As you can see, there's a grayed out area here. Click on careers. It's a bit grayed out. When you click on careers, it will take you to the next page saying career options with proofreadingservices.com. So what you'll do is, here you have to listen, pay attention, go online proofreading jobs, and it will take you to join our team. So here you can see full-time and part-time remote positions available. Thank you for your interest in applying for an at-home proofreading position with proofreadingservices.com. So you can read it in your own time, but as you can see, they show you how much they pay. Competitive pay ranging from 19 USD to 46 USD per an hour, not even per day, per hour. So you will use this Google tool to make $19 to $46 per an hour. That's why I say that Google tool is very awesome, because it's going to do everything for you. So for you to apply, we'll click on apply to be an online proofreader. Let's go there. As you can see, you'll be taken to this page here. There's a timer here, and it's actually 20 minutes. I know I changed 2 seconds here, but normally it's 20 minutes. So all you'll do is put your first name, last name, email, and you'll have to answer this question. So to answer this questions quickly, you don't have to answer it out of your head. You copy it and paste it in Google. When you paste it in Google, for example, if you click on the first one, Brainly will give you the answers. The answer is as you can see, people have different answers, but the ones with the most votes will get the answers. So here this guy says whomever, so you'll use this answer and go paste it, go tick this whomever, and you'll do that for the rest of the questions, which is a very easy and sneaky way of doing things. So what it said, after you do all of that, you'll be registered and you'll start proofreading the paragraphs and scripts using Google Docs. So we're not yet done. The second site is the higher paying site. It's called HIRESINE.com. So HIRESINE.com is an awesome site because this site will pay you to work from home, proofread and things. So this is site HIRESINE.com. I'll link it in the description so that you guys don't have to go look for it. So start working from home, get ready to begin. Welcome to HIRESINE. So first things first, you can read these things in your own time. You'll go to all current openings. So here you can do typing jobs, paid service and proofreading, so you're not restricted. That's why I say it's a higher paying site than a previous one. So proofreading jobs, you'll get paid $5 to $10 per page, which is awesome. Imagine $5 to $10 per page, and you use Google Docs to proofread it, so which is awesome. So you'll register on the site. Once you register on the site, you'll start proofreading. So we're not yet done. Now it's step 3, time for a hack. Going to show you guys the hack. I'm excited to show you guys this hack. Are you guys ready? I hope you guys are. So the hack is, we're going to go to a site called guru.com. On guru.com, if you search proofread, if you can register on the site, it's free. So basically it's for freelancers. You can also register as a freelancer. So if you search proofreading, as you can see, many people are proofreading on the site. It shows you their earnings, how much they earn an hour, how much they're making, which is awesome. It shows you how much they make, how much they made overall. As you can see, 38,000 a year, 24,000 a year. So it shows you. So you can actually register on a site. There's not a lot of competition for proofreading here because this site is for developers. So you can register yourself and post a job here as a proofreading, and companies will come to you so you can proofread their work. Once you proofread their work, they'll pay you a certain amount depending on a range. As you can see, $12 an hour. There's different amounts here. So it's awesome, and it's an easy way to make money, and it's for free. Why not make money for free? And yeah, that's about it. So follow those 3 steps. You can use any one of those 2 sites. You can either use PROOFREADINGSERVICES.com, HIRESINE, and you can come here and register yourself as a freelancer. So you can do both. You can proofread on your own and freelance, and you can use Google Doc, the tool, to do the proofreading, because Google Documents will do all the work for you. All you'll do is go to tools and spelling and grammar, and it will fix any grammatical error or spelling error for you. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys found value in this video. If you found value, if you only found value, then leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Leave the notification bell on so you can get more videos like this. Thanks guys.